Clinical Congress is really a great place to enhance yourself and develop your skill.
It's a chance for me to learn about all the other incredible things that are going on in the world of surgery.
Clinical Congress is an opportunity for networking, a great chance to learn, and an ability to be with people who think like you.
A great way to catch up.
Clinical Congress is magic.
Clinical Congress is a home for everyone.
It is an opportunity for all engaged surgeons to communicate with each other, to learn from each other, to improve themselves, and to help others improve themselves as well.
Education and networking.
It's a place where you make connections and meet people who are in the same journey as you so that you have a helping hand when you need it.
Clinical Congress is the future.
Clinical Congress is my future.
Improvement.
A full package for me: science, friends, and food.
Clinical Congress is the gateway to technology.
Clinical Congress is an opportunity to learn things in every surgical discipline.